Today I'm gonna sharing with you the last part of this scrapbook or the final part. Let's continue from here. All the measurements I will mention on the screen, and I have tried to make it super easy so that beginners also can make it. This card is called me.thank card. I have already shared the tutorial of this card, so I will leave it in description box. Don't forget to check it out. So the scrapbook is ready. Now we have to decorate it. I will give you some example like how I decorate my scrapbook. It's time to make the cover. I have tried to make it very simple, just follow the steps. It's super easy. I have just cut some colorful balloons and I will attach one by one, and that's it. Look, it's super attractive also. Make a bow and just attach it. This scrapbook is beginners friendly, so definitely you can make it and give it to someone. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really liked this video. If you really like, please give a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.